Most database administrators stay stuck at the junior level for years, not because they lack skill, but because they do not know what senior database administrator thinking actually looks like. Here are 7 signs you are still working like a junior database administrator, and how to fix each one. Sign number 1, you only react to alerts. A junior database administrator says, CPU is high, let me check. But a senior database administrator asks, why did CPU become high? What changed? And how do we prevent this from happening again? The fix is simple. After every issue, do a root cause analysis. Track 4 things: the pattern, the root cause, the permanent fix, and the prevention plan. Sign number 2, you depend only on GUI tools. GUI tools are useful, but if you depend only on GUI tools, you will struggle during real production issues. Senior database administrators are strong with command line tools, logs, scripts, and database internals. The fix is to practice daily with SQL command line, Linux commands, log files, shell scripts, and backup and restore commands. Sign number 3, you know commands, but not internals. Running commands is not enough. A senior database administrator understands what is happening inside the database: memory, locks, indexes, checkpoints, write-ahead logs, binary logs, replication lag, and execution plans. These are the real skills. The fix is simple. For every command you run, ask yourself, what is happening inside the database? Sign number 4, you do not document your work. If your knowledge is only in your head, your team cannot scale. Senior database administrators create repeatable systems. The fix is to create simple documents: issue notes, standard operating procedures, checklists, rollback plans, and troubleshooting steps. Documentation is not extra work. Documentation is senior level work. Sign number 5, you do not think about business impact. A junior database administrator says, the database is down. A senior database administrator asks, which application is impacted? How many users are affected? What is the revenue risk? And what is the fastest safe recovery? The fix is to always connect database issues with business priority, because in production, technical issues are business issues. Sign number 6, you avoid automation. If you are doing the same task again and again manually, you are not growing. Senior database administrators automate repetitive work. Start small, automate health checks, backup validation, disk alerts, report generation, and user audits. Automation separates senior database administrators from ticket-based database administrators. Sign number 7, you do not plan before changes. A junior database administrator directly executes the change. A senior database administrator prepares first: backup, rollback plan, impact analysis, approval, monitoring, and communication. The fix is to prepare a checklist before every production change. No checklist means unnecessary risk. Being a senior database administrator is not about years of experience. It is about thinking deeper, preventing issues, automating work, documenting clearly, and understanding business impact. Save this post and share it with a database administrator friend who wants to grow. Follow the DBAdmin for more practical database administrator and database reliability engineering learning.